Hi, this is Dr. Jacobs. The most common question patients ask is, can I really treat myself at home and get similar outcomes as patients on your YouTube channel? The answer is yes. I designed ASTR treatment programs with patients in mind. These programs are easy to follow so that patients anywhere in the world can work through the program step by step without having a medical background and may still achieve long-term pain relief. The online programs are around an hour and a half and mimic the program you would go through with me as a patient in the clinic. How do I sign up? First, select the body part you wish to treat. If you do not own ASTR tools, select Toolkit Plus free online program. Once you own a basic toolkit, you can use the toolkit to treat other parts of the body. Just select online program only when you're purchasing additional programs in the future. If you prefer to meet with me before or while you are going through the online program, you can do so by signing up for ASTR telehealth evaluation. This evaluation is done face-to-face through video conference and is a popular add-on for patients with complex medical histories, including autoimmune diseases, diabetes, and chronic pain. You can find this ad at the top of the treatment programs page. The feedback I get from patients is that ASTR treatment programs are effective and affordable. With the rising cost of health care, patients are finding creative ways to address their health care needs, and ASTR treatment programs provide the best solution. You can access top quality care from the comfort of your home by signing up for one of ASTR's treatment programs today. If you have additional questions or prefer to sign up over the phone, feel free to give us a call today.